Hi guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting this vlog at like kind of a weird time. It's like 6 p.m. right now on a Wednesday. I am about to head into the city. I wanted to start this vlog because I wanted to show you guys my night. I'm going into the city for an event with wayv. It's like a dinner. I'm not really sure what to expect, but if you guys have seen like Margot Lee and Danielle Carolyn, they're both interning for Julia Haber, who's the CEO of wayv, and it's a really cool company, and they invited me to this event tonight, so I'm super excited to meet Julia and everyone that's gonna be there. So I'm about to catch my train and then subway downtown, and I will talk to you guys when I get there.
You are all here because I really feel that there's so much value in meeting people and connecting personally and having conversations and shaking people's hands and hugging them. And that honestly was the inspiration for wayv. My freshman year, I went to Syracuse obviously, and it's very much in the middle of nowhere, and I just knew that there was something that could have been better and bigger, and experiences happening on campus, and it's like freezing and like miserable. So I created a pop-up shop my freshman year with AT&T and Lululemon and a bunch of other student entrepreneurs. And the pop-up was live for 2 days, and Lululemon made something like $80,000 in sales, which is crazy.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day now. It's Thursday. Oh god, someone's parking in the spot next to me. I'm in my car right now. As you can see, my face is very red. The air conditioning in my car is like broken right now. It's been like this for a couple weeks, and it just like blows. I put on the AC and it just blows like hot air at me. So I need to get that fixed ASAP because the weather next week, it's like in the 90s every single day. Yeah, so right now I'm at Target. I was craving iced coffee and I only had hot coffee at my apartment, so I went to Starbucks, grabbed an iced coffee, and the Starbucks is right by Target, so I'm gonna go into Target and get a couple things that I need. Nothing really interesting, just some random things that I need to pick up. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Today is actually like the first day in a while that I haven't had like much planned, so I really want to be productive at home. I really need to clean my apartment. It's a mess right now. Really need to do laundry. So yeah, after I get back, I'm gonna do those things. And then tonight, I think I'm getting dinner with some of my family is visiting right now. That's pretty much all I have planned for today. It's a very chill Thursday. Okay guys, I just got back from Target. I'm literally so hot. I like had to just take my shirt off and like put my hair up. I'm gonna call Honda right now and make an appointment to fix my air conditioner because it's just unacceptable. But I will show you what I got from Target. I got 2 new cutting boards. They were on sale. Oh wait, this is the front. So I don't know, and they're just like these like fake granite cutting boards, and they're dishwasher safe, and I thought they were kind of cute, so got those. I needed cotton rounds. This I'm really excited for. I got a lemon squeezer. I usually just, you know, use my hands, but I figured this was like fancier, so I can use this for my lemon water in the morning. I got this. This is my favorite like shaving cream. I use their razor too, just to like shave my legs. And then this is really random, but wait, let me show you. We used to have the trash can over here by the door, and it left these like marks on the wall. I'm not really sure why, but this is supposed to be able to get those out. So I'm gonna try that in a little bit and see if I can clean the wall up. Okay, so now I'm gonna get started cleaning. I need to clean my room, and I'm gonna get my laundry sorted and put a load in the wash and just get started with getting my life together. What's up guys? It's a little bit later now. I'm back in my car heading home. I am getting gas right now. You guys saw what I did today. I just cleaned my apartment. I'm still not done. I don't know why I can never just like kind of clean my apartment. Like if I'm gonna clean, I literally end up deep cleaning and it takes the entire day. But I have laundry going. I had a HelloFresh for lunch, which usually like we make HelloFresh for dinner obviously, but I'm going out to dinner tonight and we still have a few meals left for the week, so I just decided to make one for lunch. And now I am heading home. I'm gonna spend some time with my family that's visiting, and then we're gonna go out to dinner, and then I'm gonna go back home, and yeah, that's pretty much it. What's up guys? It is a new day now. It's Saturday, a couple days later from the last time I vlogged. Today it's like 90 degrees out and super sunny, so I'm going to go over to my parents' house because our neighbors across the street actually have a pool in their backyard and they're super nice and let us come over whenever. So I'm gonna have a little pool day, try to get a little tan. I woke up with my hair like extra wavy today and I'm really liking it. Anyway, but on my way home, I need to stop at Goodwill because yesterday I didn't vlog, but I did like a huge closet clean out and I have so much stuff to get rid of. So I have like 4 trash bags full of clothes that I'm donating, and then also like 2 big containers at home of stuff that I'm gonna be selling on Poshmark. I switched to like Depop the last time I got rid of stuff, but I didn't really like it as much as Poshmark. You have to like cash out your earnings through PayPal, and like I don't know, I just didn't like it as much as Poshmark, so I think I'm gonna switch it back to Poshmark. Sorry for the confusion, but I always have my Poshmark linked in all my videos down below if you guys want to shop my clothes. I have so much good stuff that I'm gonna be posting. But first, I'm gonna drop off all of the bags that I'm donating, and then we're gonna go to the pool. Also, I'm drinking this iced coffee. I showed it before, but I bought it from Whole Foods. It's like a jug of cold brew, but it has oat milk mixed into it already, and it's so good. Highly recommend. This is everything that is gonna be donated. Grab a smoothie and they made extra, so now I have like 1.5 smoothies and I'm gonna drink it all myself, I'm sure. Anyway, I'm about to head back to my apartment now. I think I got some sun, might be a little sunburnt even. I'm gonna head home, drink my smoothie. I think my friends and I might go out tonight. What's up guys? It's a little bit later now, or much later actually. I just finished eating a HelloFresh for dinner, as you guys saw, and now I'm sitting here contemplating going out tonight. I was going to, and my friends are going out, but now I'm like not really feeling it. Yeah, probably gonna stay in tonight. We'll see. Also, I realized I never formally introduced you guys to my child. Come here, where'd you go? This is Delilah. Come here. She is being crazy right now. Oh my god. A couple weeks ago, I adopted a little baby kitty. She is probably not gonna sit still. Her name is Delilah. She is a rescue kitty. I got her when she was like 12 or 13 weeks old, so now she's probably like 16 weeks or so. I had another vlog where I like formally introduced her, but it was like also a brand deal and the brand hasn't approved it yet. That video isn't up yet and I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, so I thought I would just introduce her in this vlog as well so you guys aren't confused. But I did post on Instagram a while back showing you guys her. Yeah, she's gonna be in the vlogs from now on. She's crazy. She's just like in kitten mode and is running around all the time and like scratching everything and being wild, but she's also like the sweetest cat ever and is so cuddly, and she's just like so much fun. And you guys know my roommate has a dog, Guapo, and the two of them, like, they're like kind of friends but also kind of enemies. Like every time they see each other, they like run up to each other and just start attacking each other, and I think they're playing, but like Guapo literally like stands on top of her and pins her down, and she like bites him and scratches his face, and it just gets really aggressive. But we're hoping that they like calm down, and they're both just in like their wild kitten and puppy phase right now, and like eventually hopefully they'll be friends. What are you doing? Ow. Oh, I got you. So anyway, I will keep you guys updated on what I do tonight. But if I'm going out, I have to start getting ready like now. And that's not really happening, so. Okay guys, so I ended up changing my mind again and I'm going out now. I'm the most indecisive person, but I'm about to head out now. I'm kind of in a hurry, but I quickly wanted to show you guys my outfit. I am just wearing this dress from Princess Polly. It's like a wrap dress. It's kind of hard to see, but it just ties on the side here. And then these little platform sandals from Steve Madden. We are going to this place in Jersey City, so I'm probably not gonna stay out too late, hopefully, because I have to be up in the morning. So not gonna stay out too late, but I will try to get some clips on my phone while I'm out, and then I will talk to you guys in the morning. Okay. Hey guys, it is the next morning now. It's Sunday. Last night I ended up going out, like I said. We went to this place in Jersey City. It was called Surf City, and it's like a bar, but it's really big and it has like a bunch of different sections and it's right on the water. So it was very like chill, and you could like order food and they had really, really good drinks. And we just kind of like sat like right by the water and it was really, really nice. So that was fun last night. I got home around like 2 a.m. and now it is Sunday and I'm about to go meet up with my mom and we're going to the farmer's market. There's like a local farmer's market a few towns over from me that happens every Sunday, and I'm just gonna get like some produce. I don't need that much, but it's just like fresher and better from the local farmer's market. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning, and then we will see what I'm doing the rest of the day. But it's a beautiful day out, so yeah, happy Sunday.
It's our treat.
Our treat, absolutely.
Thank you.
We are the Stuff Brothers. If you like what you heard, stuffbros.com. Stuff Bros.
Like, I'm not even.
Why is your tongue so
All
right, let's hear it for this. Yep.
Okay, wow, terrible lighting, but hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and finish the vlog. I realized I didn't really explain where I was today. So after the farmer's market, me and Ben and some of Ben's friends went to Maplewoodstock, which is this festival thing that my town has every summer, and it's like their version of Woodstock. So it's like a music festival kind of. They have like live music, and all the local like restaurants and stores and stuff have like little stands, and everyone just like sits on the hill and like listens to music and chills, and it's a fun time. So it was this weekend and I didn't get a chance to go yesterday, so we went today for a couple of hours. That was really fun, and now I just got back home and I'm gonna go inside and take my makeup off and probably go to sleep because it's like 10:30 already. So I just wanted to end the vlog here because I'm going to start a new one tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss a video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!